everyone! Welcome to Teacher Carmina Paula's channel, your place for learning English in a simple way. Today we're going to talk about how to be an effective ESL teacher for beginner students. Teaching beginners requires patience, creativity, and the right approach to build their confidence. Let's get started. When teaching beginners, it's important to use clear and simple language. Avoid complex sentences and speak slowly. Use gestures, facial expressions, and body language to help convey meaning. Repeating instructions and demonstrating activities also make learning easier. Start with essential words and phrases that students can use in everyday situations, like greetings, numbers, and common objects. Use flashcards, pictures, and real-life examples to help them remember new words. Keep it simple and relevant to their daily lives. Even if students know only a few words, encourage them to speak. Use role-playing, greetings, and simple dialogues to get them talking. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on building their confidence in using English. Visual aids are essential for beginners. Use pictures, real objects, videos, and drawings to help them understand new words and concepts. This makes learning more engaging and less overwhelming. Beginners can get overwhelmed easily, so keep lessons short and engaging. Use fun activities like songs, games, and hands-on exercises to keep them interested and motivated. Movement-based activities can also help with memory retention. Learning a new language takes time, and beginners might struggle with pronunciation and sentence structure. Be patient and provide lots of encouragement. Praise their efforts and create a safe space where they feel comfortable making mistakes and learning from them. Repetition is key for beginners. Review previous lessons regularly and use different ways to reinforce learning, such as storytelling, quizzes, and group activities. The more they practice, the more confident they become. And that's it. By using simple language, engaging activities, visuals, and lots of encouragement, you can effectively teach beginner ESL students. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.